Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to zoom using operator in Valorant. First, you have to get into a game. Then you have to go into the shop by pressing B. For going into the shop, left click on the operator to buy the operator. Now, in order to add yes, you have to right click, and in order to zoom, you have to right click again. So by double right clicking, you'll be able to zoom in with the operator. So that's how you zoom in with the operator. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.